This is the wettest place in the continental United States, with an average annual rainfall of 144 inches. That is a staggering 12 feet of rain, or to put it another way, 6 golden retrievers. It's called the Hoh Rainforest, and it's located on the Olympic Peninsula of Washington State. It is an insanely lush, green, temperate rainforest and a place that must be seen to be believed. For us, this is a favorite spot to get off the beaten path, explore, and set up camp next to the Hoh River. If you come out this way, just be sure you're prepared for rain, because